In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trust Wallet to Jupiter. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Trust Wallet and connect it to Jupiter. You can establish this connection easily. So all that you have to do is open the Trust Wallet application, and inside of the app, go over to the option to manage crypto. So in order to add Jupiter as an option here, you go to Manage Crypto. You will either find it underneath Buy and Deposit, or you will see an icon at the top right corner of the screen with 2 coins, depending on your version of the application. So either tap this icon that you see at the top right corner of the screen if it is not the search icon, or go over to Manage Crypto. Now, once you choose this option under Manage Crypto, you can look for Jupiter. And as expected, one of the results is going to be JUP, aka Jupiter Solana. You also have Jupiter, Ethereum, and some other results, so be aware of the differences between these. I assume most people will simply want to add Jupiter Solana. So all that you have to do now is tick this option. If this option is enabled, Jupiter will be available under Trust Wallet. So enable this, and now it is going to appear. If you tap on Jupiter from your assets, you will be able to see how much you are holding, and then the options to send and receive. There's no secret to this. If you choose receive, the QR code will be displayed alongside the wallet address. You can then copy this wallet address to make transfers using other exchange wallets. So all that you have to do is go over to the Manage Crypto option and simply enable or disable Jupiter. Then if you have Jupiter on another exchange and you would like to transfer it to the Trust Wallet, like I said before, you go into the Receive option, copy the wallet address for Jupiter that was set up, and then you will be able to establish using that wallet address. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Trust Wallet to Jupiter. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.